Mortgage refinancing. Are you planning on renovating your home, consolidating your debt, paying your child's tuition, or are you needing additional funds for a large purchase? Mortgage refinancing might be just what you need. Simply put, mortgage refinancing is the process of replacing your current mortgage with a new loan. There are many reasons why a homeowner would want to refinance a mortgage, such as lowering their monthly payment, removing private mortgage insurance, converting from an adjustable rate to a fixed rate loan, or changing to a shorter loan term. Refinancing also allows you to tap into your equity and use it however you want. At Ebenezer Mortgage Solutions, we have access to a huge network of lenders. This means that you'll have more options and chances of getting the best loan terms for you. Consider refinancing your home loan. Call our mortgage brokers today at 813-284-4027.